Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to find your love style in Badoo. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now from here, what we need to do is simply go to Preferences. At the top right, next to this lightning bolt button, you will find the Preferences. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up, like Show Me, Age Range and such. Well, there's no option here, so let's go to More Options. Click on this button right here. Then something like this will open up. Simply scroll down till you see something like Relationship. Click on this button right here. Then it's gonna give you a few options like this. Which relationship statuses are you looking for? Single, taken or open? Select the one that you prefer. And once everything's okay, hit on Apply. Once again, click on the Apply Filters button. And there you go. That's how you find your love style in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. The support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.